Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix a missing product description block on your product page in the Shopify Dawn theme. This is a common issue that can make your product pages look incomplete, so let's walk through the solution step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you to your main Shopify dashboard where you can manage your entire store. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section allows you to view and manage all the items you're selling in your store, and it's where we'll start troubleshooting. Next, click on any product from your list. Here's something crucial you need to check first. Make sure that your product actually has a description written for it. If there's no description text entered, the description block won't have anything to display. So if you see an empty description field, go ahead and input a proper description for your product. This is the content that will eventually appear on your product page. After you've confirmed or added your description, navigate to the left side menu again and click on Online Store. You'll now see your current theme displayed. Beside your active theme, you should see an Edit Theme button. Click on it to open the theme editor. Once you're in the editor, look at the top of the page where you'll see Home Page as the default view. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Products and then click on Default Products. This takes you to the template that controls how all your product pages are structured. Now on the left side of the screen, you'll see various sections that make up your product page layout. Look for the section labeled Product Information and click on it. This is where you can add or remove different blocks of content that appear on your product pages. Inside the Product Information section, click on Add Block. A menu will appear with different block options you can add to your page. From this list, click on Description. As soon as you do this, the description block will be added to your product page, and you should now see your product description appearing in the preview on the right. If you want to reposition where the description appears, you can simply drag the description block up or down to rearrange it among the other blocks. Once you're satisfied with the placement and everything looks good, click the Save button in the upper right corner. This will apply your changes to your live site. And that's it. You've successfully added the missing product description block to your Shopify Dawn theme product page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.